Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free.
To our fans on the TV, it's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates won, Kaizer Chiefs won. I'm joined by Umenier Owetiski. Welcome back. It's a go back. I'm in high logo arena. I'm gonna go to sharp. Yeah, sure. Is it again an offer, man?
Nakulukisa mabaka mo today.
Oh, happy. Ngimnani mina.
Skala phi. Alright, Sibo.
Yeah.
Igame Richards Bay. Igame besidlana Richards Bay ayikhumbula lezidlala khona idraw ka 2-2.
Yes.
Alright. Ngakela something kule game leya ukuthi iPirates uma iconcede ekuqala.
Yeah.
Ayiwin lo game leyo.
Yeah.
Yakhumbula?
Yeah.
Ngakubalela Sikhukhune first leg.
Yeah.
Sundowns eOrlando.
Yeah.
MTN 1-1. Sundowns eLucas.
Yeah.
MTN 1-1.
Yeah.
Sundowns ePretoria eLoftus.
Yeah.
1-1.
Yeah.
Sundowns eFNB 2-1.
Yeah.
Swelele.
Yeah.
1-1.
Yeah.
Richards Bay.
Yeah.
2-2.
Yeah.
Today, Chiefs ikora ka. Pirates win the game?
No.
So amagame amangaki? Amagame ayi9.
Draw makuruta.
Igame esi9 le this season. iPirates uma iconcede ekuqala
ya draw.
Ayiwin leyo game leyo see. It's a fact.
As that I notice.
No, serious because now it's worrying like serious ukuthi this tells you ukuthi we have a challenge.
Yeah.
We have a challenge if uthi phela Sibo if uzowina ileague okanye if challenge for win ileague you should be prepared for ama situations ahlukile ne.
Yes.
Akusikhona la uzohlezi ukora khona kuqala.
Yeah.
You understand? Which means sine challenge serious Sibo. Uma siconsider kuqala asiwin leyo game. Igame esi9 le siconsider kuqala igame senze njani? Singayiwin. Ongikhohlwa igame eLupopo eDRC. Le ka 3-0 asiwinanga leyo game. Igame esi9. Okay, it's fine. Asibelene game ya today Sibo. Yazi why Chiefs ikorile today?
Why?
Ngizoba straightforward Sibo. The reason why Chiefs ikorile today ile sub kaMakhawula esiyenze half time. Asibelene la Sibo. Chiefs inondlovu inomabuwe.
Yeah.
Right? iPirates inombatha inoMakhawula as well as uReal.
Yeah.
Ubonile uReal ukuthi ube nama challenges especially first half. Akabanga uReal lo esinjani isimazi.
Yeah.
Because game plan yeChiefs bekuwusibhulisha lapha na Central. Basibhulisha ngobani? Ngomthetho uMabuwe as well as uNdlovu. I think ubonile ama elbow even befia
very physical.
You understand?
Very physical.
But ekusibhulisheni kwabo bebengakhona ukuthi besi-attack okanye bebengakhona ukusibhulisha ngalendlela bebefuna ukusibhulisha ngayo.
Yeah.
Why? Because uMakhawula naye ubekhona enza lento le abanjani abasenza yona.
Yeah.
Wena as ucoach uyabona ukuthi Chiefs vele iyasibhulisha Central. Umfukeng bayababhulisha.
Yeah.
Uzokhipha umuntu okwazi ukudlala le game le abayidlalayo. Even worse, iPirates first half siqeda igame iphezulu. Kuthembisa ukuthi sizothola igoli.
Sure.
So wena why immediately mesibuya ngehalf time wenza ama changes ekubeni first half siqede phezulu.
That was a bad sign.
Why ungabuyi uqhubeke ngalendlela le ubukade wenze njani uqede ngayo first half. And then wazo-introduce abantu, wazo-introduce uMasindi.
Nimtanjela.
Thana yesibuye last year.
Yeah.
Ngalesikhathi introduce uMasindi which means sisinobani, sinombathi.
Yeah.
Sinomasindi.
Yeah.
Sinomaswanganye.
Yeah.
Bakhona ukudlala igame le yokubhulishwa.
No akusiqhwa.
So uyabona ukuthi now i-Chiefs sine advantage because banobani sebenondlovu banomabubu. There is why ubona uMasindi wangena egameni enzenjani wastrugglisha.
Sure.
Because i-Chiefs ibonile ukuthi uMakhawula usenze njani usephumile. Bese benze njani bakhona baqala ukuthi benze njani baqala babuild abadlala because umuntu obenza lento abebesenza yona bese njani bese kitchen.
No va.
Sibuyele la igolini le-Chiefs. Sipho. Before kushawe le assist eshayiwe ubonisa kuwa ama player ayi2 ePirates
Before you assist.
yes before i-Chiefs ingene eboxini ishaya assist ubonile ukuthi kuwa ama player ayi2 lapha
Nge 1-2 yakaduba.
yes uMasindi utheklishe bani umbatha ibuyela back to lento bengisho ukuthi uMasindi ungena egameni wastrugglisha because igame ibe physical lento ize yagcina unfortunately ya result ekuthenini i-Chiefs ikora ini igoal and ukora kwaba igoal because bakora because vele uMasindi ubeselandela ithunzi because bebembulisha ingakho egcina etheklisha iplayer
La.
angicriticize uMasindi ngicriticize isab abayenzile okanye igame plan yani esecond half first half siqede kahle why wenza ama changes
We'll never know.
all right Sipho angazi noma uya notice yini ukuthi today ubani ukoriko le Pirates today Sibelebele right igame yaphela ngubani score 1-1 remember Orlando first leg eMthenisi versus Sundowns igame yaphela ngubani score ukhumbuzo yaphela ngo1-1 kwakora bani Sibelebele saya kwi second leg eLucas igame yaphela ngo1-1 kwakora bani Sibelebele again versus Sundowns right today igame yaphela ngo1-1 koreba Sibelebele football is a game of
Patins. Amara minyero wenu bona manya mapetini ka.
Wena besokhosini
Adi petins ari mane mena kisadi boni.
yes I know
ukuthi abantu vele memory yabo ngokhuphula rayire.
I know ukuthi there will be someone ozothi but uDenson ukorile versus Sundowns le game yaseloftside it's fine ukorile but lento yakubonisa ukuthi usibelebele uyasave emagemini ethu amakhulu especially if sizohamba sizidlale i-draw kayi2 versus Sundowns kayi1 versus i-Chiefs phela igame today besingesa afford ukuthi lose regardless i-performance nanani bengeke kulunge as I always say football is a game of patins all right Sipho asibeleni la kwi-Chiefs I think for i-Chiefs i-difference today kuba ugoalkeeper uNtshebe kwazoba uNdlovu kwazoba uNdlovu uNtshebe ugoalkeeper kwazoba uNdlovu as well as uWandile Duba I'm not sure if abantu bayibonile importance kaWandile Duba today uDuba today made sure ukuthi iPirates leli side lethu especially kwi-channel or kwi-wing yethi yaka left la bekudlala khona uHodo uDuba made sure ukuthi uHodo akawathola ama spaces because constantly betracker back yo-assister i-right back ubani uMonyane hopefully Sipho
Nomodi bekayenza kanjalo
Nomodi benza kanjalo so the game plan today hopefully amajita they will go back and fix because Sipho it's a challenge there are questions engifisa ukuthi ngiwabuze but kuzobe ngazuthi ngiyacriticize but it can't be ukuthi you play 9 games if you consider first low game we win unacceptable because ithela umusa kubona bonke ababukele nabalele
thank you minya class is out Ntshebe class is out